Should I buy a house or should I rent a house? This is a constant debate that keeps running into our minds. In this video, I'm gonna give you a very simple rule that can help you make this decision. I call it my 7% thumb rule. No calculators needed. It's a bit crude, it's not very accurate to the second decimal, but hey, you know what? It works most of the time and you can use it to make your decision. Without any delay, let's get deep into what that rule says. Now, I am not talking of the sentimental aspect of buying a house. I am comparing buying a house and renting purely from the financial aspects. The rule states, if your house cost multiplied by 7% divided by 12 is less than or equal to the rented house, then it's logical to buy the house. Vice versa, if the house cost multiplied by 7% divided by 12 is greater than the rented house, then it's smarter to rent the house than to buy the house. You can check my description below to understand how I came to this formula. Let's now take an example or a couple of examples to understand how this actually works. A house is listed at 75 lakhs. What should be the rent that I should pay for an exact similar house? So 75 lakhs multiplied by 7 divided by 100 divided by 12 is approximately 29,000. Meaning you should be paying less than 29,000 if you have to pay in a rented house. Now case 2. If the rent is 60,000, what should be the buying price of that exact same house? The house price equivalent of this would be 60,000 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 12 divided by 7 or 1.28 crores. So anything that's less than 1.02 crore, buy the house. If the house price is greater, then rent it. Hey, thank you for watching the video. Hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon so that you can get my latest videos. See you. Bye-bye.